The first thing to do in any trigonometry question is label the triangles, and that's what we're going to look at in this video. Now, we label the sides of the triangle with either op for opposite, hype for hypotenuse, and adj for adjacent. And all of these are dependent on where our angle is. So let's look at the first triangle, MNO. So the angle we're looking at is here, x. So the side opposite x we will label op. That's MN. Now, the longest side of the triangle, the hypotenuse, is the one that is opposite the right angle. So MO is hypotenuse, so we'll label that hype. That leaves us with adj for adjacent, which is NO. Let's move on to the second triangle, PQR. So firstly, here's my angle x, so we label the side opposite it op. We label the longest side hypotenuse, and remember the longest side is always opposite the right angle, so PR is hype, and the remaining side therefore is adj, so PQ is adj.